Want to get paid faster and easier? Let's create an Apple Pay invoice with the QR code in just a minute and a half. First, log into your preferred invoicing platform. I'm using a popular online service here, but most invoicing apps have similar steps. Click on the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Now, carefully fill in your customer's details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any payment issues. Next, add each item you're billing for, including a brief description and the corresponding price. The platform should automatically calculate the subtotal. This is where the magic happens. Find the Apple Pay option within your payment settings and make sure it's enabled. This usually involves connecting your Apple Pay account. Now, generate the QR code. Many platforms automatically create a QR code associated with the Apple Pay link once Apple Pay is enabled. If not, look for a button to generate it. Preview the invoice to confirm that the Apple Pay button and QR code are displayed correctly. Finally, send the invoice to your customer. They can now pay instantly using Apple Pay either by clicking the button or scanning the QR code.